Hey y'all, welcome back to Ukulele Wine Time. My name is Kathryn. This is the play along video for Have You Ever Seen the Rain? Ukulele Wine Time. If you're looking for the tutorial, I'm linking that up here. I go through the chords, the verse, the chorus, the intro, and then here's where we're putting it all together. If you're new here, this is Ukulele Wine Time, where we learn beginner songs on the ukulele and we drink wine while we do it. Cheers. If that sounds like your vibe, which I hope it does, please subscribe to my channel, Ukulele Wine Time. And I hope that you click the like button below. And again, cheers to you. All right, let's jump in. We're gonna play Have You Ever Seen the Rain? I'm gonna do a little mini tutorial on that lick at the end of this video, so check out the timestamp below. I will show you that, but for now, I think we should get into the song. Here we go. Okay, we're gonna play the intro, then we'll hit the verse, chorus, go through the whole song. I'm gonna do a down, down, up, down, pattern. All right, here we go. Here's the intro. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterdays and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Oh, we did it. Okay, how did you do? Let me know in the comments below how that went for you. This is such an awesome song. It's just a great, simple verse, chorus. It has a very simple melody, which I'm gonna show you now, that little lick. So just a really perfect song for beginner ukulele players. If you found this helpful, please click or cheers the like button below. Cheers to you for being here, learning this song with me, doing the play along. Maybe you're singing along at home, which is awesome. Let's talk starting pitch really fast. So we're in the key of C, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do, and we're starting on so, which is a G, so it's your open or your top string, but an octave below that, someone told, someone told. So told is your open C, and then some of the someone is your open G chord or G string, but an octave below. Okay, so I hope that helps with their starting pitch. Someone told. Let's take a look at that lick for the song. Now, I will say the very first one that happens in the recording is slightly different, but for our arrangement, for simplicity's sake, we're going to just keep it the same the whole way through. Okay, so we are looking at, and we're just going to use your thumb. So very, very simple. We're not going to worry about a lot of using different fingers. Just use your thumb on those strings. So we're using your bottom string, 3rd fret, and you're starting with your 1, 2, 3, your 3rd finger. Okay, so 3rd, 2nd, open. That's how it starts. And then your 3rd finger jumps to the next string up, twice on that. And then your open C string, which is your 3rd string up from the floor. So really slowly, that is. And I actually recommend singing it first. So if you can sing it, you can play it. So sing it first. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh. Okay, every time Kathryn messes up, you have to drink. Even if it's water. Stay hydrated. And actually that last one, the da, 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 C chord, you're going to be playing your C chords. You don't have to worry about that one too much. And that's what you're going to play every time that happens in the song. Keeping in mind that the very first one in the intro, in the recording, it's slightly different. But again, for play along purposes, this is all you'll need to make the song sound awesome. And it's a great beginner version to finger picking. So let me know if that made sense. I hope that was really clear for you. Let me know in the comments below if you try this little melody along with your full version of the song. I hope you subscribe to this channel for more ukulele, more wine time, more ukulele wine time. All right, I hope to see you soon. Cheers. Ukulele wine time.